dear teachers, and my dear students, we are celebrating today. And all of us we know that it is kept in honor of Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. He was a philosopher, he was a president, and also the first vice president of India. And he was a very scholarly man. He has been professor to many universities, colleges, and in his teaching or in his speeches, he has said one thing which I remember very much. He said, the best thought is in the mind of the teachers. And he had said so because he experienced and he knew if a child is to be made the citizens of India, it is during the education of the child, the teachers have to instill in them the knowledge or the nationalism. The teachers have to put in the mind of the child. Therefore, the teachers have a great respect to the society and the country. Therefore, we always honor and respect them, not only on 5th September in a year, but every day in our lives. All of us are taught by our parents how to respect, how to honor before, first to God, secondly to the parents, and thirdly to the teachers. Therefore, when we were taught during the school days, when you pass the cycle and you see that a teacher is coming, we are supposed to get down from the cycle and show our respect to our teachers. Though we do not have many students today, but I am proud that we are all the teachers today are showing class 10 on behalf of the Stella School. Secondly, I thank all the teachers for their hard work.
Shiksha Gurus are those our learning and caring teachers for whom we are gathered and we are facilitating and showing our gratitude towards teachers are one of the most important necessity in our life. Without teachers, no successful person can succeed. No person can succeed in life. You, the love teachers, are the one who enlightens us with knowledge to become a good human being, a good citizen, and good person. You teachers have always been hardworking and shown full dedication with our knowledge. I am very grateful for you. I've seen our teachers working really hard for us. Any kind of difficulties, then we can face it. And this happens because this one we can develop when we are interested in learning. And this learning also doesn't come suddenly. We have to be prepared for that. We have to plan out. We have to desire.